Good morning. I have a little joppy this little morning. I have this borals, but look how long and thin they are. They don't have a proper base. They're very unstable. They will fall over, but they want to use it at my daughter's wedding to put flowers or something in. But then we thought of something. We taking this plates. It's like a metal plate, punched out plates. Then we're gonna put some glue in here. I always use this marine silicone. This is the best silicone for glass and whatever you want to use it. I don't trust the other ones. I always use marine with this dispenser. Then you're gonna, just to cause this thing to fall over, you're gonna put a little base on here. I'm gonna glue it onto this base, and then it's gonna be a little bit more sturdy. So the process is just to put some silicone in the bottom here. Just gonna take your chalking gun, and then you're gonna add some little bit there in the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna put this on the table, and we're gonna put this on here. This my more or less put it in the middle. Just make sure the sides is even, and then you let it dry, and then it's gonna be nice and sturdy. It's not gonna fall over again. You can what I did, I put some dioxidine on this metal plates, not rusting. I'm not going to spray them because it's going to maybe have an issue with the silicone. So I have a few of them here. So when we finish, and then they have a nice sturdy base, and then we can put some flowers in it. I have a few of them here. Here's the rest of them. They bought them somewhere at the shop, or there's a nice bunch of them here. As I said, the silicone, and this is how we do it. Okay, that was just a quick one today. Till next time, cheers.